Black house will rock. Black boys don't lie. Feed my Frankenstein. And fellow enthusiasts of the macabre, my name is Dr. Freakenstein! And it is my honor to welcome you back to my secret laboratory for an evening you will never forget! Tonight, for the first time in Transylvanian history, I'm taking you behind the scenes as I put the finishing touches on my latest experiment, my masterpiece, my magnum opus, the greatest achievement of my scientific career! Hey, how was that? What do you think?
Did you see the Australian breakdancer at the Olympics? Kind of like
that. Years buried in my scientific experiments, hidden from the outside world, working late because I'm a singer. I used to be a household name. People used to quiver at the mere mention of Dr. Freakenstein. But now
they're more scared of Ellen DeGeneres.
Right. This movie is how I plan to reintroduce myself to the world. It needs to be big. It needs to be exciting. It needs drama and adventure and a devilishly handsome actor to play the lead role.
Oh, I got it. Who's the hot guy with the pointy face?
The Disneyland Dr. Doofenshmirtz? No, Glenn Powell. Glenn Powell.
Oh, my mind getting twisted up my head.
No, anyone but you. What about Justin Timberlake?
Doc, he's gonna ruin the tour.
What tour?
Hot tour. TikTok. This old camera from Facebook Marketplace. And if we act fast, we can get our lights from Temu. In 8 to 12 business week.
And the script?
ChatGPT, let's go!
My nurses, the time has come to create our cinematic masterpiece. It has to delight. It has to astound. It has to thrill. Green Idol in this cinematic romance. I can't leave them alone for 2 minutes. Igor, I need you to chaperone.
Okay!
I said chaperone, not chapel road.
Oh!
And anyway, I don't think romance is the genre for us.
Can't even trust an open bachelor to stay married. What's there for the rest of us?
We need to hit. We need something exciting. A lot of tension, conflict, a big fight, hand-to-hand combat!
Walmart on Black Friday!
Picture this! A post-apocalyptic world. The air is free with smoke. The sound polluted by traffic and the screams of small children. Our hero, a long-haired figure clad head to toe in black. No, another guy. Legally distinct from planes. He's a vampire, but he's from the future. Because this is a sci-fi movie. But
into your movie. Then you kick me out of your castle? That kind of really super hurts.
Oh, Doc, I think we're changing genres again.
Yes, I feel the rising tension.
The influx of tears.
The sad painless.
Hold on to your tissues, ladies, because we're about to pivot right into...
You needed the movie. But I am not sharing a dressing room.
Oh, so you can stay in my villa. Love Island style.
Okay, well, I am recovering from the situation. So.
You know what? Let's turn this movie into a musical. Hey, little lady. I'm about to give you your big break.
And completely unearned romance. I'm going to go over here. Excuse me. I'm going to go over here by myself and soliloquize about my crippling fear of being left alone with my thoughts. So.
That doesn't sound healthy.
Yeah, neither does Ozempic, but everyone's doing it. And I don't want to call Twitter X, but we can't have everything we want.
I just want someone to match my freak.
So do something about it. Get on the dating app. Experiment with stuff. Have you ever thought of
Experiment! Igor, that's it! My experiment! This is a long time been waiting for. I finally understand my life's purpose. We have no time to waste. Igor, to the machine!
Yes, chef.
Everyone else, assume the position! The other position. We have now reached the climax of both my life and the film of my life story. My experience, my beauty. I watched you grow. Bit by bit as I pieced you together from the disembodied limbs of my victims. And now, the time has come for me to shock you back to life. Doctors, start your engines, and may the best reanimated corpse win. My bride, my muse, tell me, how do you feel?
That's been haunting my dreams. Is yesterday's music, it seems. That simple and sweet melody passed down through the ages to me. I hear it when moonlight takes over. I hear it at first break of dawn. The sound that sets my heart aflutter. The pulse, the heartbeat of the song. It's Fiends, bitch. I hear it and I know. I know you wanna take me home. And get to know me close. When your heart goes, you look like fun to me. You look a little like somebody I know, and I can tell you how this ends. I'll be in your head always.
Oh, Eagle, look at her. You know what? Meeting my life's work face to face and coming to terms with my own brilliance has illuminated to me where I actually want this movie to end up. Tell me! You don't know. The truth I come to realize is that maybe the real movie was the friends we made along the way. This has never been about me.
Oh!
It's about all of us.
Oh.
Here, together. In perpetuity. Together to the end of time!
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. FREAKquel and his gang of fiends proudly present to you the Sarah Score!
Everybody, rock your body. Everybody, rock your body. Best Fiends back, alright.
Gonna reach the place close. You got a question for you, better answer now.
Am I the world?
Yeah,
Am I the only world?
yeah,
It's the next world.
yeah.
Am I
Rock your body, yeah. Everybody, rock your body, rock your body. Best Fiends back, alright. They're gonna see this booty in IMAX. Put your hands on your hips.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being part of tonight's experiment. Until next time, I'm Dr. FREAKquel.
And